Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can connect Facebook Pixel to WooCommerce when ad account limit is reached. So the first step that you have to do is go to the Facebook business settings, tap on ad accounts, and then request a limit increase, or you can also contact the Facebook support to resolve account restrictions. Next is to create or use an existing Facebook Business Manager account. So you can add your pixel to Business Manager instead of directly to your ad account. And then in the WordPress admin, you go to the plugins, you tap on Add New, and then you can search there the Facebook for WooCommerce. So this is the official plugin, and then you just have to install it. Next is in the plugin settings, connect using Business Manager credentials instead of ad account. So you just have to authorize the access and select your Facebook Pixel ID. Lastly is to use the Facebook Pixel Helper browser extension to confirm Pixel is firing. So you can test events like view content, add to cart, and purchase are tracking correctly. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!